Looking for a new motherboard for your next PC build? One that won't break the bank but still packs some serious performance? Then stick around, because today we're checking out a compact board that has a lot to offer, especially for gamers and power users who want to save space. It's going to be interesting, so stay tuned till the end. If you're looking for a solid, future-proof motherboard that doesn't cost half your paycheck, this might be just what you need. The board supports AMD's current processors, including the Ryzen 7000, 8000, and even the new 9000 series CPUs, which means you've got plenty of performance headroom. And with its compact micro ATX format, it's ideal for smaller cases or space-saving builds. One thing that stands out is the memory support, full DDR5 compatibility, up to 8,200 megatransfers per second according to the manufacturer. Of course, that depends on your setup, but having the option is definitely a plus. With 4 RAM slots, upgrading later on will be no problem. When it comes to storage, this board is well equipped. 2 M.2 slots with PCIe 4.0 provide ultra-fast load times, great for gaming or creative projects with large files. And if you're still using SATA SSDs or traditional hard drives, there are 4 SATA ports available as well. Networking starts strong with 2.5 gigabit LAN, meaning faster data transfers on your home network or in multiplayer sessions with no lag. Compared to boards that only have a 1 gigabit connection, that's a real advantage. On the back panel, you'll find both standard USB and a modern USB-C port, which is super handy for current devices. The video outputs, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort make it suitable for builds that rely on integrated graphics too. A really cool extra is the QFlash Plus feature. It lets you update the BIOS without even having a CPU or RAM installed. A lifesaver when dealing with brand new processors. Of course, this isn't a high-end board, that's fair to say, but for a compact system with solid specs, modern standards, and a few neat extras, this package is seriously impressive. So if you're after a reliable board that's ready for modern builds but won't cost a fortune, definitely take a closer look. You'll find the product link in the video description below. Alright, so what are the main pros and cons of this board? Pros: supports current and upcoming Ryzen CPUs, built-in DDR5, PCIe 4.0, USB-C, and 2.5 gigabit LAN. Compact but well equipped. BIOS update possible without CPU or RAM. Cons: less space and expandability compared to ATX. Extremely high RAM speeds may only be stable with overclocking. Power delivery limited for high-end CPUs. If you like this board or still have questions, check out the product link below in the description. You'll find more details and current deals there. Drop us a like, comment which components you'd pair it with, and don't forget to subscribe. It's worth it.